Hello everyone, my name is Bhatrai and I am going to present the presentation on how machine learning helps supply chain and logistics. We are four members in our group, me Bhatrai, Raya Shrestha, Neeraj Lavati and Ambigyan Pangde. Here are table of contents. Introduction. What is supply chain? Supply chain is an entire system of producing and delivering a product or service from the very beginning stage of sourcing the raw materials into the from to the final delivery of the product or service to the end users. Here the figure is the example of generic supply chain. The raw materials are taken by the logistic provider to the supplier. After that, the material are taken to the manufacturer and then it goes to the distributor that wholesales the finished product, which is next delivered to the retailer, and the retailer sells the product in a store to the consumer. And once the consumer buys it, the cycle completes. And again, when the after the demand, the raw materials uh, are then taken by logistic provider to the supplier. Similarly, the cycle occurs. Machine learning in supply chain and logistics. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence AI that allows an algorithm, software, or a system to learn and adjust without being specially programmed to do so. Machine learning mainly focus on machine learning from their experience and making predictions based on the experience. Mainly, there are three types of machine learning. One is supervised, which is also known as task-driven, and unsupervised, data-driven, and then reinforcement. Supervised learning is supervised learning is one of the machine learning types where we can consider the learning is guided by the teacher. Like we have a data set which acts as a teacher and its role is to train the model or the machine. Once the model gets trained, it can start making a prediction or decision when new data is given to it. Similarly, unsupervised learning is the model that learns through observation and finds structure in the data. Once the model is given a dataset, it automatically finds patterns and relationships in the dataset by creating clusters. And the third one, reinforcement learning, is the ability of an agent to interact with the environment and find out what is the best outcome. It follows the concept of hit and trial method. Benefits of using machine learning. One of the benefit of using machine learning in supply chain and logistics is reduced cost and response time. The ability of machine learning algorithm to analyze and learn from real-time data and historic data delivers records helps supply chain manager to optimize the route for their fleet of vehicles, leading to reduced driving time, cost saving, and enhanced productivity. Second one is reduction in forecast error. Machine learning serves as a robust analytical tool to help supply chain companies process large sets of data and to reduce forecast error. Third one is combining machine learning with advanced analytics, IoT sensor, and real-time monitoring is providing end-to-end visibility across many supply chains. And another benefit is improving supplier quality management and compliance by finding patterns in suppliers' quality labels and creating track and trace data hierarchies for each supplier. Warehouse management is also one of the benefits of using machine learning in supply chain. Machine learning in supply chain with its model technique and forecasting features can also solve the problem of both under and overstocking and completely transform the warehouse management for the better future. The last one is fraud prevention. Machine learning algorithms are capable of reducing the risks of fraud by automating inspection and auditing process, followed by performing real-time analysis of results to detect anomalies or deviation from normal patterns. For For rest of the slide, I would like to call my friend Raya Srestha. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend Praveen. So, my name is Raj Foster, and I'm here to present my presentation on my topic material handling equipment automation. So, material handling equipment is are those machines which are used in the storage and handling and movement, control, and protection of the goods during the process of manufacturing, distribution, consumption, and disposal and delivery. So, similarly, a material handling equipment automation is the system integrated with the machines that are used in the material handling, which helps in the more speed up of their work of handling, storing, and controlling of materials. So it would be easier for them to trace their materials where they have kept it and to locate it. Similarly, the use of MHC automation provides improvements in the two areas, as we know that they work fast and they have more accuracy. There will be more efficiency and accuracy in their work. So my next slide is types of material handling equipment. So there are three types of material handling equipment: automated guided vehicle system, automated storage and retrieval system, automatic identification and data collection. So an automated guided vehicle system is a driverless vehicle which are run by robots which are destined for their like path selection and positioning. Similarly, automated storage and retrieval system is a combination of equipments and the automation that helps in the control of handle and store and retrieval of the system. So like we can look at the package as I mentioned earlier. Similarly, automatic identification data collection is one of the technologies used for the tracing of the packets, like the barcodes that we can scan them or we can enter the code and we can find out where our package has been. So the benefits of material handling equipment automation. So automated system speed of the productivity. We know that they work fast, and with the fast work, the productivity of the company increases. Similarly, workers are better able to do their tasks using automated equipment, meaning they can work more efficiently and there will be no harm to the workers, and the work can be done more faster. Similarly, automated systems like lifts make it easier to store materials and products, and which is easier because we can store there will be less human harm with the use of automated system lifts. Similarly, one of the biggest advantages to automated equipment is that fewer accidents occurs, as I mentioned earlier. So the next point is it makes customer happier because with the help of automated material handling equipment we can deliver the orders faster to the customers. Similarly, the resale value of the warehouse and the equipment goes up with the automated system, and it will always be updated with time. So the next and my last slide is drawbacks of material handling equipment automation. So there are some drawbacks that which hold back the material handling equipment automation, as it is very expensive than manual equipment. Similarly, once the automated systems are in place, we can remove them, so it will be very hard to make changes in the workspace. Similarly, automatic machines, there is always the chance of problem of breakdown, which can take a lot of time and decrease the productivity of the company. Similarly, the next point is some automated equipment needs maintenance, so the workers might not be able to fix it and they might need to call professional people for to fix up the machines, which may take lots of time and cost. Thank you. That's my time. So I would like to call my friend Neeraj for the next slide. Thank you.
Thank you, Raz. I'm going to continue my presentation from the slide. The topic is mobile robots in a supply chain and logistics. We can say that logistics is the part of the supply chain process. Logistics makes the plan that how to move the goods from one place to another place, control and track the movement of the products. The supply chain management includes the development of products, marketing, operations, distribution of products, customer service, and finance. The supply chain management reduces overall cost and boosts the production. Let's discuss about the types of mobile robotics. The first one is automated guided vehicles, AGVs. Automated guided vehicles are the driverless material handling vehicles used in the warehouse. There are different types of AGVs such as automated cart, unit load AGV, automated forklift, togger AGVs. These AGVs reduce the working distance of the employee. Another is the autonomous mobile robots. ARMS does not require the track of pre-driven route like AGVs. The robot can identify the information of each product's location of delivery. The autonomous mobile robots can move around the warehouse because they analyze their background and create their own routes. These robots reduce the human movement and walking distance. The ARMs are mainly used for picking and sorting the materials. Another is the aerial drones. The drones have the vital role in logistics. Currently, the drones are playing vital role in food and delivery logistics. In the warehouse, drones are used to count the inventory, scanning the inventory, which are in the higher shelves. It is safer and need less time to scan the inventory. The next one is the automated storage retrieval system. Automated storage and retrieval system help to in and out the goods in the storage. They can do the work with the error-free and accuracy. They reduce the human labor and can do much faster than the human. Another one is the trailer and container unloading and offloading robots. In the world business market, the goods must be shipped through the ocean in a standard container to reduce the transportation cost. The goods are loaded in the container and after that it is put in the stack without the wooden pallets. Again, on arrival, the container should put in the pallets and put into the truck. If we do it manually, it takes more time and it can be labor intensive, therefore the robots are used. Another one is the picking and packaging robots. Due to the fast-paced production capacity of the machine, the picking and packaging operation needs to a lot of human operation and efforts. Sometimes human cannot cope up with the speed of the machine, therefore we need robots for picking and packaging. They do not need any break and they can do faster way in a 24 by hour. Now let's discuss about the benefit of using mobile robots. 1. The robot increases efficiency and productivity. The use of mobile robots with latest technology increases the efficiency and productivity. It reduces the total operation cost and increases the productivity and revenue. The robot reduces the error and risk. The robots can work exactly what they need to do in a long time without getting tired. By using the robots in a dangerous and hazardous place, the risk over the employee can be reduced. The robot improves the safety and employee. The robots can work in any condition under any pressure. They can also perform in a hazardous environment, which can reduce the insurance safety cost of the employee. The people can have more time to focus on the strategic planning rather than involving in the operation process. Autonomous robot can do the job itself. The robot improves the order fulfillment rates, customer satisfaction, and delivery time. Autonomous robot can pick, pack, scan, transport materials of different weight and size in a faster and more efficiently. Thank you. For the further presentation, I'd like to invite my friend Amrit.
Hello everyone, my name is Amrit Pandey. I am going to describe about the optimized human processes, the roles, the impacts, and the importances of optimized human processes in the supply chain logistics. These are the human activities that performs different kinds of tasks in an appropriate way, which are useful in the company for performing various kinds of business works. Human beings and as artificial robots are involved. There is the improvement of efficiency by the artificial robots, but there is always less chance of arrival of errors and the improvement of efficiency. Works of the human beings are fully optimized, and there is the occurrence of less errors with the optimized human processes. And there is the fully optimization of human works in the productivity of the supply chain and many other business processes. This is regarded as the optimized human process. For the better productivity, the works of the humans are properly optimized with the appropriate interaction with the artificial intelligence model so that the outcome will be better. Next is about the role of optimized human processes in supply chain. Helps the companies to achieve the strategic goals, conduct various duties and tasks in order to achieve the goals of the company. Optimized human process also helps in the selection, training, acquisition of the people which are needed in the company. Similarly, it helps to handle the relationships between the employees and the another role of optimized human processes in supply chain is the handling of the payroll and benefits which are required in the company. Similarly, human processes include the human resource managers, which helps in performing the various kinds of activities in the company, such as planning the future of the company with the proper implementation of tasks, directing and coordinating different types of administrative functions that are required for the company to increase the productivity of the company. Next is also about the role of optimized human processes in supply chain. There is always the full satisfaction of clients and improvement in productivity, which is the role of optimized human process. Another role is the human processes as the crossroads of a business success, and other are the optimized human process contribute to the bottom line. And optimized human processes also develops an engaged workforce. About the importance of optimized human process in supply chain, they help for the introduction of technology for working in different kinds of work conditions. Human processes also helps for recruiting and employee onboarding. onboarding. Optimized human processes assist the managers and team leaders for performing different kinds of activities. Similarly, they support company growth. Optimized human processes support support organizational alignment. Uh, and the link for the YouTube presentation will be provided in the slide which will be submitted. And these are the references that we have used in our presentation. Thank you.